What does the perfect Section 8 real estate deal look like? Well, I bought a house right over there for $81,000. You see that house right there, that 2-story with the car in the driveway next to the blue car? That house just sold, brand new construction, worth of $300,000. This house right here, you can see my sign directly out front of it. It's on a quiet street. Listen to how quiet it is. Quiet street, really strong owner base here. Tenants that come here don't want to leave, and we have a 3-bedroom configuration in a landlord-friendly location with very low property insurance, with excellent management and top-of-the-line construction for the price in which we pay. So we have everything working. Even someone's even working on a house right around the corner. You can hear them banging a hammer. This house right here is also under construction. So there's a lot of money flowing into this area. Some people, they want to buy Section 8 real estate. All they care about is the lowest price. They end up losing a large chunk of their money because there's a reason the price is that low in most cases. It's a horrible neighborhood. People don't want to spend money there. And a lot of properties are run down. You look around here, it's just not that way. And let's look at the house that I just picked up for $81,000. We'll probably spend somewhere around $30,000 or so fixing it up. But I think at the end, the property is probably worth $160, like conservatively, around $160. So we're up on the appreciation. We're gonna get a double return on the rental side because we'll rent this for about $2,000 or so, maybe $2,100. So we'll get a double-digit return as the cost of building materials continues to get more expensive, like everything else.
Yeah, the cost of nearly everything that goes into building a home is going up, and that's why home prices are so high.
The tariffs mean construction materials like lumber we've received from Canada would see a significant price increase.
Builders are starting to see a sharp increase in the cost of construction materials.
The pre-existing inventory is going to become more desirable. It's going to cost more to replicate what I just bought. So I win on the appreciation on the building side, win on the double-digit return guaranteed by the federal government, and then I can borrow against it if I so chose to do so and pull out all or close to all of my money. So it's a really great, I think, the best investment overall. They're installing the windows right here. So we're putting brand new windows in. Got the sign everywhere. See stuff like that? She's on a phone call right behind me. She's done that phone call. I'm gonna see if she's gonna sell that property. Standing out front of it, and she's been filming on that phone as I pulled up. So she might be talking to maybe an out-of-state owner, and she might be a relative here. I'm not really sure the situation, but being on the ground helps. You never know where that next deal will come from. Hey James, how you doing? What's up, man? How you doing, man? Kitchen, just did backsplash. What's up, man? How are you? Just scoot by here real quick. Thanks a lot. You got bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom. Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. Quick question. Here. In the tile, in the corner, or here?
Straight up.
Yeah, okay.
Straight up. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got it. Bedroom 3. Get 2 more tiles. Fix that. The new windows come in here. This is going to feel really bright. Look at the outside of it. It's I think she might be selling that house. We'll see. It's a coin toss. I want to wait till she's on the phone. Excuse me. Hi. My name is John. I'm next door here. Just wondering, are you thinking about selling the house?
Not right now.
Well, maybe in a little bit.
I was thinking about. Well, I'm on the phone with my insurance company, but I'll come talk to you.
Okay, thank you. She's on the phone with her insurance company, so we'll see. And that's how you find a great deal. Being on the ground, buying in the right neighborhoods, the right crews, the right management. You stack the odds in your favor, you reduce your risk tremendously. That's why I've relocated my wife and my 2 kids, my 2 sons out here, and why we built what we built, and why we're going to continue to double down month after month to grow what I think the economy now.